The UAE is already investing in the military industry. The UAE ranks 14th in the world in terms of military budget. Although part of a military budget of about 23 billion, the country tends to turn to the military industry for production. Emirates Dickens Industries Company, EDIC or EDIC, currently has 15 companies, including Nimra, a military armor manufacturing company. The company is owned by Bhavajun, who has invested in Algeria. The UAE's Abu Dhabi Shipyard has made a name for itself locally by building 6 state-of-the-art Bayonnah-Class corvettes for the UAE Navy. John Harris, chief executive of the U.S. defense company Rayon, told Emirates media outlet The National that his company wanted to expand its joint venture with the UAE's military industry. However, there may be obstacles in the way of U.S. foreign policy, which has always imposed heavy taxes on others. In this situation, like other countries, the countries of the Middle East are also looking for different sources for weapons. Saudi Arabian aeronautical company Taknia is jointly developing AN-132 with Ukraine's Antonov. The aircraft was unveiled to the public in December 2016. A report from Astonov in early 2016 stated that the Ukrainian company was now discussing small issues with the Saudi company before starting commercial production. Several other Middle Eastern countries are already leading the military, including Turkey and Egypt. Turkey's participation in the arms exhibition in Saudi Arabia was significant. Sudan has also pushed its military industry forward because of its long history of internal strife and arms embargoes. Governments in almost every country in the Middle East have been accused of gross human rights abuses. While Western nations have made many statements about the Saudi-led bombings in Yemen that have killed thousands of people, the fact that they have given more importance to the military trade economy proves that Western investment in the military industry of Middle Eastern countries. The Middle East may be able to accelerate its economy through military industry as a result of Western military control. But it will be happy to accept the West's dependence on the West for regional control.